Feel the magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
Hello, it's Keely from Hooking Love, and this week's stitch of the week is the front loop, back loop single crochet. So believe it or not, this is just single crochet, and the way it's worked gives this beautiful texture, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So follow along, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we will make this together. Now for this tutorial I am using an Aran weight acrylic in a hot pink and a 4.5mm hook, and we are chaining a multiple of 2. So entirely up to you how many you make. I'm going to do 20, so I'll make my 20 and come back to you in a second. So I have done my 20, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to skip the first stitch, first chain, and I'm going to single crochet into the next one. So that's a US single, UK double, and I'm doing that all the way along. Do it just like that. So I shall be back in a second. So I have completed that, and I'm ready to start the actual pattern proper, as it were. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And now what we're going to do is we are going to alternate between making a single crochet in the front and the back loop. So if we have a look, so this is my loop and this is my chain. So this is my first proper stitch. If I was to go under the stitch, move that away, hopefully you can see that I have a front and a back loop. So I'm going to go into the front loop in the back loop in one stitch, and the front loop in the next stitch. So for this one, let's see if I can get you slightly close without it blurring too much. So we're going to go into the back loop and make a single crochet, and then into the front loop and make a single crochet, and then repeat that again in the back loop and then the front loop on the back loop on the front loop and the back on the front back, front, back, front. Oh, lost my stitch now. Back and front, back, front, and I'm ending on the back. Now let me show you what that looks like first. So you've got a little bit of texture there. We'll go on to the next one, and then we'll have a look and see what we look like. So again, chain 1 and turn. And we start again off in the back loop. It's always the back loop to start off with. So back loop, front loop. Yeah. I'm going to do that again all the way along. I won't ask you to sit and watch. I shall go to the end, and then I'll come back when I've done 2 rows so you can see how it's looking then, and then I'll do a few more. So I am back, I've done a few more rows, and I'm hoping that you can now see the lovely texture that that's produced. So not a massive amount of texture. Of course, we are doing a single crochet and it is just front and back, but it does give a completely different look to a plain row of single crochet. So it's a way to make your piece of work just a little bit different. I'll show you the other side. So you can see same back to front, front to back. Use it in any number of ways. I just think I'd make a nice little bag out of this. You know, like a little clutch where you want some sort of quite tight work, but want this texture for me anyway would be lovely. I've made an evening bag recently for Wool Warehouse using a plain single crochet, which is beautiful. But if I was to change it up and use this, I could see that that would give a completely different look to intrinsically what is a very simple bag. So let me know what you think, what colour you'd use for this one, and subscribe for next week's Stitch of the Week.